everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new. My name is Mercedes and today I'm going to be sharing with you the the mascara review from Lacura. So this is the Too Legit mascara from the Lacura beauty box, which I reviewed not too long ago. If you haven't seen that, that is still in stock in my store, so I'll leave it linked up here if you are interested. It was a box for $11.99 and obviously you collect it in store, so no postage included. I did also say in that video I think they are cooking up something, and I was right. You're not going to be seeing this before that video, so I can confirm that Aldi are actually bringing out an advent calendar. Now when I filmed that video I had absolutely no idea that that was going to happen, but it looks amazing and it literally has deterred me from not wanting an advent calendar because it is such an affordable advent calendar. You can get it on your grocery shop, and also it's just, you know, it's where I work. It seems like a no-brainer, to be honest with you. Before we get into the actual mascara review, I'm just going to show you what's on my face in case you are wondering. So I started off with the Essence priming water. Then I went in with the Lacura BB cream, obviously. Then I went in with the Aldi Lacura Radiance Concealer. I really like this one. Then I went in with the e.l.f. Cool Pressed Powder. For my blusher, bronzer and highlighter, I went in with the Lacura Cheeky Cheeks palette. For my eyeshadow, I went in with the Naturals 2 palette, by Lacura also. And I used the brush in here. It was actually a really nice palette. True Mercedes style. I wished I'd used it earlier, but that is the motto of my life, I swear. So for eyebrows, I have got the Relove Revolution Brow Blade and the Lidl's Rivals Brow Gel. For setting spray, I've got the Cherry Chocolate or Chocolate Cherry, and I have to say it doesn't smell like chocolate or cherries, which was very disappointing. And on my lips, I have the Bella Pierre Clear Lip Gloss because I am going to work. So as I've been saying for a while, mind the brows, they are going to be getting done at the end of this week. I'm so excited so I can finally go on holiday. So the Too Legit mascara by Lacura from Aldi. It is a dupe for the Benefit They're Real mascara. I honestly thought it had a real deal of this mascara, but I don't. So we're just going to trial it out and see what we think, because I am not really sure. My Relove Revolution one and the ABH one that I am actually using at the moment is running out, so it's time for a new one. So first time I'm opening out this brush. Ooh, and I can confirm this wand is very similar. That's not going to focus, is it? And I'm going to wish it had. Yeah, this wand is very similar to the Benefit They're Real one. It's got the spiky end and the plastic bristles. Unfortunately, you're probably not seeing that, but hopefully you will when I do an application. So I am just going to go straight in and apply the mascara to one of my eyelashes, the whole eye, so you can see how it performs. We can hope we're in view and shot for the whole thing. So I didn't wear makeup yesterday when filming this, so this should be nice, clean and natural lashes. And I'm just going to apply the mascara how I would any other mascara. I'm pretty sure the Benefit, oh my god, I'm pretty sure the Benefit They're Real mascara was the first one that I tried from Benefit, and I was blown away, and oh my god, I think it's pretty safe to say this is a flipping good dupe. Look at my eyelashes. So this is my natural one. I am quite blessed with nice long lashes, in my opinion. A lot of people do comment on my eyelashes and ask if they're real, because obviously they are. I don't very often wear false eyelashes at all, but my golly, guys, can you see the difference in my eyelash? That is insane. So what I've just done there is what I would class as a one application, because I would coat my lashes until I'm happy and then leave it, and then if I feel like I need another application, that's when I would go in with another application. But I can honestly say I don't think I need another application. My eyelashes look really nice and lifted and long. Oh my god. So this is definitely my legit eyelashes. I'm just going to go ahead and do my other eyelashes so you can see what they look like in comparison. And hopefully I've been a really good YouTuber, which I'm, you know, I'm being quite a good YouTuber these days. And I've done a before, sort of one and one, and then an after in my maybe thumbnail or something, just so, you know, it entices you to come and watch. So I'm going to pop the next layer on. And if I haven't, then I've definitely prompted myself to do that in editing. So that is both eyes done with the mascara, and I can honestly say I'm very happy with the outcome. I think I actually prefer this to the Reloved Revolution one, because I have been on the fence about that mascara for as long as I can remember. I have started filming videos for December and I've pretty much said that in every video that I've used that as well. So yeah, I am going to continue to use this, I know that for sure. My eyelashes look incredible, and I know, as I say, I am quite blessed with my eyelashes, but I'm really pleased with the outcome. So, have you tried this mascara? Let me know what you think in the comments down below, and if you have been able to compare it to the real deal, please let me know if you feel like it's the same. I honestly feel like I can remember the first time I used the Benefit Their Real mascara, and I am honestly thinking that it's very much a dupe. It's insane, honestly. $5.99, incredible. Now, as I said at the start of this video, I know there is an Aldi advent calendar coming out, and I'm pretty sure I read that this is in there. I have read the spoiler because I was so shocked when I'd said I thought they were cooking something up, and then it came out that they were bringing one out. It's just insane. I'm going to try and get my hands on it Wednesday and upload it for Thursday. When you're seeing this, that would have been and gone, hopefully, if I've done that. But yeah, we might not even get it in store yet. We never know. There's been so many delays this year. But anyhow, if you did enjoy this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel down below if you are new here, and I'll see you all next time. Thanks for watching. Bye!